All right, so y'all, this is a homework question out of 2.4. This is problem number 1. And it says, for here, it's asking us to do a couple of things. It says, give the domain and the range and identify whether it's a constant function. Okay, so y'all, let's go ahead and do this. First thing I'm gonna do is my domain. Y'all, my domain is gonna be the set of all x values, everything between negative infinity and infinity. And the same thing for my range. My domain and my range of linear functions are always going to be from negative infinity to infinity, both on the domain and the range. Now, the next thing we're going to do, y'all, we're going to think about this in the idea of y equals mx plus b. So remember, y'all, f of x and y are the same thing, right? It's like if my name was Antonio and Tony would be what you call me, right? So this is kind of like the Antonio, and this is kind of like the Tony. The f of x is just like a little more formal, if you want to call it like that. So y'all, if I look at the problem that we have, which is f of x equals x plus 6, we're going to do two things here, y'all. We're going to look for our m. Remember, m is a number in front of my x. Well, y'all, the number in front of my x is 1. But because I'm thinking about this as my slope, which we call the rise or the fall, depending on what we got, over the run. And then my y-intercept, y'all, is going to be the point 0 and b in this case is 6. So y'all, this here is going to be my starting point. Okay. Oops, sorry, running out of room. My slope is going to tell me how I'm going to move. Since my slope, y'all, is 1 over 1, we're going to go up 1, and we're going to go to the right 1. Okay? So let's do this. Let's come back to our problem. Let me come back over here. All right, let me take a look here. So we're going to click on our graph. I'm going to use my little line feature. I'm going to go to the point 0 and 6. That's my starting point. Y'all, if I start moving around anywhere I am, you can see up here in the yellow, let me clear that. But yeah, let's clear everything. If I go to a point, if you look up here in the little yellow bar, like if I click that point, you can see that's the 0.79. We're looking for the 0.06, okay? So right there should be the 0.06. Now, y'all, what I'm going to do from here, I'm going to go up 1 and right 1, right there. I'm going to hit save, and let's see. Let's check our answer. Okay, we're doing great so far. We set our domain in interval notation, my friends. We're going to come back this way. Here we go. Let's get some parentheses. Let me see if I can find my parentheses on here. Here we go. And then negative. Oops, that's not what I want. Where's my minus sign? Sorry, guys. Okay, negative infinity, comma, positive infinity. Get my parentheses again. Okay. And let me get out of here. And we'll check it. Okay, doing good so far. And then our range, again, y'all, still going to be same thing, right? Parentheses. Okay, negative infinity, comma, positive infinity. Close my parentheses again. And we'll check our answer one more time, and we're good, okay? If y'all got any questions, let me know. I'm happy to help. Oh, is it a constant function? Sorry. No, not a constant function. And y'all, I will tell you, just for your information, we don't have any constant functions in your homework. And if you wanted to know what does a constant function look like, y'all, when you would draw a constant function, it would just be a horizontal line like that. And we're not going to have any horizontal lines. All of our lines will be going up, or we might have some lines going down, but we're not going to have any like that for this part, okay? You got questions, let me know. Y'all, I'm happy to help.